Yo, bro, do you see that? That was so fast, I'm not gonna lie, but yo, you have to repeat so that we can see it properly. Hey, yo, this was the whole truck down. But I just hope that everybody's safe. Yo, so today what we have here is a day in life of an American truck driver, road rage, brake check, car crash, and instant karma. The US, Canada, you already know. So let's see what is going to happen. Make sure you hit the subscribe button because I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. That will help me a lot, bro, if you do that for me right now. So let's keep going. Let's see what is going to happen next.
Nice.
Oh, did anybody call 911?
No.
Call 911.
I'm calling.
Okay.
Yo, was this truck driver not watching in the mirror? Yo, man, what the hell? Some people just get into an intersection. Don't really feel like. Yo, what was that? But why is this driver swinging this truck, bro? Like, say a truck with a utility trailer loaded with ladders nearly jackknife in the middle of the 495, but managed to save it just in time. It's so lovely.
Downtown Indianapolis at the airport. No, Z just comes right on in and caused me to go off the road. This freaking idiot in this damn Toyota, now he cuts out the red car in front of him, in front of me. Yep, and now he's flicking off the guy.
Oh.
Come on, you're gonna fucking cause an accident, you. Okay, Garmin.
Sure, bro. What the hell? Why is this truck driver trying to change a lane like this, bro? Yo, if you are a driver and you are driving a very big truck, you have to be careful, bro, because you got a heavy load on you.
Fucking idiot, man.
Country's going crazy, we accept it as society. Get sick and take a pill when the side effects get.
California.
Oh shit.
The arraignment
Oh
of
shit.
Hugh Carrasco. 50-year-old was charged with multiple crimes, including weapons. resisting arrest, following a dangerous road rage incident captured on cell phone video.
Oh, shit.
I'm not pulling over.
Oh God.
Dude.
Orozco's driving the silver truck.
Holy fuck.
And just moments earlier, the passenger of this car flipped her the bird after she allegedly cut off her friend who's behind the wheel.
Oh my God.
Oh God, go, 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 go.
Yo guys, thanks for watching the video till the end. Yo, if you like the video, like you enjoy the content, please let me know in the comment section, and make sure you let me know whatever, like if you found any part of this video like it's your property, please let me know in the comment section. Or if you feel offended with anything that I say on this video, please let me know in the comment section.